Welcome to e-classes of DePaul School. So in that particular we are going to see how to be safety outside our home. So we are continue the chapter number 8 of Science World book, that is safety and first aid, and this one is video number 6, and in that part we are seeing many things that are dangerous in our day-to-day life outside our home, and how to be safety at the time whenever we are in outside our home. So you like going out and exploring the world outside, but when you step out of your home, there are many things that can be unsafe for you. You need to keep yourself safe from accidents, from dangers, and even thieves. So, what can you do to stay safe outside your home, students? So, whenever you go or whenever you uh, are in a traffic, then sometimes that may danger for us. And now we are going to see how danger is traffic whenever we are not careful about the traffic rules. So you may see here, just like the person, okay, whether you are walking to a shop or to a friend's house, you need to follow some road safety rules. Always cross a zebra crossing. So this one is the zebra crossing, students. Use a foot over bridge whether there is one. Walk only on the footpath. Before you step off the footpath, look and listen for any traffic. Wait for vehicles to pass before you walk to the other side. Never run across the road. It can be dangerous, students. So do not get in or get off a moving bus. And when you are in the moving vehicles, never stick out, never stick out your head or hand. Do not stand in front of or behind a parked vehicle. The driver might not notice you. And never get into a parked vehicle. You can get trapped inside. Okay, so these are some safety measures that may save you from many dangerous things. Okay, students. So danger from strangers. Sometimes there are many strangers, or sometimes there are some kidnappers that may take you. And sometimes they are doing many things that are not good for us. So it is unlikely that all strangers will harm you, but there are certain things you can do to make sure you stay safe from them. Try not to walk alone, especially after dark. Make sure your family knows where you are, and never talk to strangers. And don't accept anything from someone you don't know. Okay, and whenever you go for uh, outside, just follow the traffic rules and traffic signals. Then next part we are going to see danger from animals. Sometime when we are step out into the streets, you may see lots of street animals. So do not ever tease them or get too close to them. The best way to keep safe in is to keep away from them. Okay, students. So whenever you are outside, please stay away from the street animal. And also you have to see that they are not become harm your particular whatever you doing. Okay, students. So see you in next video students, that is danger at school and danger at playground. Thank you students.